Hey everybody, it's Christina, the mobile home mama here. We are going to showcase a 16 by 66 single wide, and this one has an interesting feature because we have the kitchen all on one end. And what's great about that is we do have the ability to add a porch. Now we did not on this home, but anytime you have the kitchen, living room, and a double wide on the right hand side of the floor plan, or you have the kitchen or living room on the right hand side of a floor plan in a single wide, we have the ability to extend that frame and add a covered porch on it. So something I wanted to point out to you guys today, that we do have a home finally with the kitchen on the rear end of the home. We also have added the washer dryer into this kitchen. A lot of people use this floor plan for lake properties and families share it for vacations, and so it's not a big deal to have the washer dryer in the kitchen. Also, we could put folding doors over that. Nice separate area here for the refrigerator with some counter space on each side. Also, we've got an L-shaped kitchen here. Standard appliances. Electric appliances are always standard electric in our homes, no matter what size home or what style of home. You can upgrade to a gas. You can do a gas furnace, gas water heater, and gas range for an additional fee. We've got white cabinets, thunder on the floor, somber black on the countertop. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Coming back here, I want to show you actually what a gas furnace looks like. Now in our electric furnaces, they're going to be real short like this, but in a gas furnace, they're tall like that with the gas going at the top. This is lower ductwork on the furnaces, on the heating element or vents. Bedroom 3. In between the bedrooms, we've got a standard bath with a tub shower combination. Bedroom 2. A lot of people like having their bedrooms all together, especially if they have kiddos, so that they can keep an eye on them. We got Brittany behind the camera today, doing a great job for me. I appreciate her so much. And the master bedroom. Casper cashmere on the walls. We got a 46 by 61 window, gridded. That's a single hung dual pane window. Nice big closet there. You can walk in and move around if you need to. And we kept it pretty simple in the master bath. Again, a 60-inch tub shower combination. All right, we're still pumping them out here in Topeka, Indiana. Thanks for watching.